All right, so you know that feeling, right? You're about to pull off something amazing in a game, you hit the record button and boom, your frame rate just dies. Well, today, we're going to look at a potential fix for that exact headache. It's a low-impact game recorder called D3DGear.
I mean, seriously, we've all been there. You're lining up that perfect headshot, you go to capture it for all of eternity, and suddenly your game turns into this unplayable, stuttering mess. It's the worst, and that right there is the exact problem D3DGear was designed to solve. And this brings us to what I like to call the gamer's dilemma. It is so frustrating, isn't it? You're stuck making this impossible choice. Do you sacrifice your smooth gameplay just to capture that one epic clip? Or do you sacrifice the clip so your game doesn't feel like a slideshow? It just feels like you can't have both. But what if you didn't have to make that choice? Let's talk about a solution that's designed from the very beginning to be, well, light on its feet. Okay, so here it is. This is the core promise of D3DGear. It's a piece of software that was literally built to do one thing and do it really, really well. Record your gameplay without destroying your performance. We're talking no lag, no major frame drops, just clean, smooth capture. And this, right here, really lays it all out. On one side, you've got your typical recorders, the ones that feel like you're trying to run a marathon with a backpack full of bricks. Heavy performance impact, lag, stutter, you know the drill. But on the other side, you've got D3DGear's whole philosophy, minimal impact for smooth gameplay. This contrast, this is literally the entire reason the software exists. So the big question is, how does it actually pull this off? Let's pop the hood and take a look inside the toolkit. Okay, right off the bat, the compatibility here is actually pretty impressive. It can handle basically everything from old-school DirectX 8 games all the way up to the latest and greatest titles. And it doesn't stop there. It can capture your Windows desktop, and get this, it even records Oculus Rift VR gameplay. That is a huge bonus if you're a VR creator. Oh, and of course, it streams directly to Twitch, YouTube, you name it. Now this is the secret sauce. It's all about GPU hardware encoding. So here's the magic trick. Instead of making your main processor do all the heavy lifting for recording, D3Gear offloads that work directly to your graphics card. And it works with NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel cards. This, right here, is the key to keeping those frame rates high while you're playing, and you still get all the control you want over resolution, frame rate, and quality. And the toolkit is packed with all the essentials that you, as a creator, are going to need. You've got your FPS overlay, of course, so you can keep an eye on performance. You can do webcam and media file overlays. But check this out, and this is a real game changer. It can record your microphone commentary on a completely separate audio track. I mean, if you've ever edited a video, you know how much of a lifesaver that is for mixing your audio later on.
All right, so all the features sound great on paper, but let's get some real talk. What do actual users think? Because that's what really helps set the right expectations, you know?
And this quote, this just nails it. It's not a professional program, but if you just want to do simple recording, this is fine. And that's exactly the point. D3DGear isn't trying to be some massive, super complex professional suite. It knows what it is, a simple, straight-to-the-point tool for capturing your gameplay with as little fuss as possible.
So if that sounds like it might be the right tool for you, let's talk about how you can actually get your hands on it. Okay, so there's actually a pretty clever, totally risk-free way to try this thing out. You can just buy D3DGear right on Steam. Then you can install it, test it with your favorite games on your own PC, and see how it feels. If you love it, great, keep it. But if it's not for you, just refund it. As long as you've used it for less than 2 hours, Steam's policy has your back. It's basically a free trial, which is awesome.
And hey, here's a little pro tip for you. Keep an eye out for sales. Apparently, this thing has been on sale for as much as 72% off in the past. At that price, it's an absolute steal.
So, at the end of the day, it really all boils down to this one question. What do you actually need from a recorder? If you're just tired of the performance hits, the lag, the stutter, and all you want is a straightforward, reliable way to capture your gameplay, well then a simple, lightweight recorder like D3DGear might just be the perfect tool for the job.